Hi friends, welcome to the SS channel Maths Academy. Today extension of our geometry. I am going to explain such a beautiful topics today. Let us see. Now here I have written perpendicular lines, concurrent lines. What is the meaning of perpendicular? I think you have such an idea. Perpendicular means 90 degree. You know already you have a basic knowledge. For example, you see the diagram. Two lines or two line segment. Two lines or two line segments to meet or to intersect. Two lines or line segments to meet or intersect perpendicularly, making an angle 90 degree. Such lines are called perpendicular lines each other. Simple. Two lines or two segments are intersect at a point perpendicularly or makes an angle 90 degree. Then the lines are called perpendicular lines. So here L comma M are called perpendicular lines. Perpendicular lines. It is denoted by L is perpendicular to M. This symbol is nothing but perpendicular. This symbol is nothing but perpendicular. L is perpendicular to M. When the intersecting lines have a one common point, here also having one common point, but this here making an angle is 90 degree. That is the reason these two lines are called perpendicular lines. Now let us go with concurrent lines. For example, you take one point in a plane, draw a two lines L and M. Only two lines we have to take it. These two lines are called intersecting lines. More than two, three or more than three lines passes through a one common point. Only two lines are passes through a one point, then the lines are called intersecting lines. Three or more than three lines are passes through a one single point. Such lines are called concurrent lines. Concurrent lines. Okay. Now perpendicular lines is completed. Now concurrent lines is completed. Now we are going to discuss such a beautiful topic about curve. Curve. To come across so many, we come across so many example in our daily life. You could have a something idea like this example in your daily life. For example, you see garland of gold and gold chain and snake movement. These are best example of curves like this. It is a garland of gold, chain of bridegrooms, gold chains and snakes. These are the best example of curve. These you could have such an idea about these three examples. These three lines are does not have in straight order. Does not have in straight order. Such lines are called curves. Such lines we know we have to call as curve. So here curves can be classified into two parts. One is open curve, second one is closed curve. Closed curve. What is open curve? What is closed curve? Simple. A line, the beginning and ending with does not have a common point. A line, the begins and end with have a not a common point. Then the curves are called open curve. Example of open curve you see here. Example of open. A line is started, movement is going on like this. Begins and end with does not have a common point. This is example of open curve like this. Open curve. What about closed curve? A curve having begins and ending with is a common point. Then the curve is called closed curve. Example starts with ending. These are the examples of closed curve. A curve is nothing but such a lines does not have in straight line order. Such lines are called curves. Curves are classified into two parts, open and closed curve. Open curve. A line does not have a begins and end with same point. Such lines are called open curve. These are the example. And last one is closed curve. a line have a common point, begins and end with have a common point, then the lines are called, and the curves are called closed curve. Example, these are the example. Okay, I hope that don't forget me. Please subscribe my channel and watch many times. You get a good knowledge. I hope you. Thank you.